Namaskaram. In this video, we will be discussing about the concept of pyramid meditation and the techniques. You get the best results from this meditation if you sit facing north. You get a healthier mind and body if you sit facing east. And for wealth in the near future, you must sit in the northeast direction. The pyramid is a geometric amplifier which helps you receive more of the power of prayer. It makes a devotee stronger in his religion beliefs, in his spiritual beliefs. By the use of this technique of meditation, a lot of meditators have expressed their results to be very fruitful. They have experienced memory recall, visions of past incarnation, telepathic communications, and an increase in awareness. The concept that a simple geometric shape would generate energy through meditation seems hard to believe, but the truth is that it works, and that too without any side effects. There are a few important points which people should not neglect when they start practicing pyramid meditations. Let's discuss those points. When you are starting to meditate under a pyramid, always keep in mind that you have a shape which is 4 times higher and bigger than you. You need to know which material to use. You should avoid plastic, plaster of Paris, and bricks of cheap quality. These could be responsible to harm your nervous system. Use natural materials like wood, sacred rocks, marbles, crystals, etc. Meditation in Shavasana should be used by crystal pyramids. Consult your therapist about the colorful pyramids. If you don't know which is to use, just don't choose at a random. You can also take my color therapy course to know more about which color to use. Always wear loose clothes and clothes which are of light colors like white or dull. Meditate in a scheduled place where you are away from the electronic devices and gadgets. You might just have a CD player which would play the audios of meditation or the mantras. There are pyramid caps available which can be used during reading, learning, cooking, resting, etc. Pyramids transfer cosmic energy into human body, and so all sort of metal or leather materials should be removed from your surroundings as they can have a reverse effect. Put images or idols of the deity you believe in. That will make you feel more positive, or you will have the sense of spirituality alive while you meditate. Keep the room neat and clean. You will not only enjoy the moment but also be content at heart. Keep the pyramid and the area inside it clean as well. Keep your shoes and sandals away from the meditation room. It is advised to keep pregnant ladies and kids below 3 years away from pyramid meditation, or they shouldn't stay there for more than 20 minutes. This happens as the rooms as a transfer cosmic energy which could be harmful to them. Always keep in mind to sit facing east, north, or northeast as stated above. Sit on a carpet or a mat of saffron color. Always pray that you are thankful to your parents, nature, God, and cosmic energy of the pyramid before you start with the meditation.